This is the Maxton Design rear side splitters that I have just installed onto my B8 S4. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I installed this onto my B8 S4. Now let's just jump right into it. So here are the rear side splitters. The kit came with both the left and the right side splitter, some hardware, and a general installation manual. I also have the tools here that I'll be using to install the rear side splitters. So I have a 1/4 inch drill bit and a cordless drill to drill the holes for the hardware. Then I also have a 10 millimeter wrench and a 3/8 inch drive ratchet with a 4 millimeter hex bit socket to install the hardware. I have a pair of scissors to cut up the two tapes that I'll be using. I have a masking tape here that I'll be using to mock up the side splitters, and a double-sided tape here for extra adhesion for the side splitters onto the bumper. And then I also have a heat gun here because it's kind of cold right now to help promote the adhesion of the double-sided tape. So now let's go ahead and get these guys installed. So the first thing I will be doing is mocking up the side splitters onto the rear bumper, and then using the masking tape to help hold it up into position. Now that the side splitters is mocked up into its location, I will be now marking the drill points onto the side splitter, on the bottom of the side splitter. I'll be using a washer here to help me with positioning the drill points so that when it comes to installing the side splitters, it has clearance on the nut and bolt on the side splitter and the bumper. So we need to mark 4 drill points because there was a total of 8 supplied nuts and bolts, and of course you gotta split it between the 2 splitters. So I'm gonna mark it as evenly across the splitters as best as I can. So the 4 drill points are marked throughout the side splitter. Now it's time to drill the hole through the side splitter and bumper. I currently don't have enough clearance for the cordless drill, so let me go ahead and check up the car first. All right, now I can start drilling into the side splitter and bumper. Now that the 4 holes are drilled, we can finally install the side splitter. But before doing so, we need to prep the area and the side splitter for install. So we gotta clean up the bottom of the bumper area, remove the plastic off of the side splitter, and apply the double-sided tape, and then install the side splitter. If you guys are finding this video helpful so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this that could possibly help you guys out on future installs. Thanks. Now let's get back to the install. So after thinking about it for a little bit, I'm actually going to wait on applying the double-sided tape because I actually decided that I'm going to swap out the rear diffuser to a gloss back one because all of the Maxton kit is actually just gloss back. So I don't want to have a random carbon diffuser and everything else black. So I'm going to just change the rear diffuser later on in the future and kind of skip the double-sided tape for now on the side splitters. So I'm just going to install and bolt it down as it is. But when I do come around to reinstalling the side splitters with the double-sided tape, I'm going to use this double-sided tape and apply the double-sided tape along this edge where it meets the bumper closest to this edge here. That's how I would do it. But let's go ahead and get this guy installed and just bolt it in. And here it is, fully bolted down, and that's how it looks. Let me show you the other side where I don't have a side splitter. Passenger side, no side splitter, and driver's side, side splitter. Not bad. Let me know what you guys think. So now I'm gonna do the passenger side and follow the exact same process as how I did it on the driver's side. So let me go ahead and get the passenger side installed and then show you guys how it looks with both sides installed. All right, passenger side completed and installed, and this is how it looks now with both sides installed. What do you guys think? Makes it look much more aggressive in my opinion. I don't know if it might be a little bit too much, but we'll see as time goes on. Now it's time to get the side skirts and front lips on, so make sure you guys stay tuned for those videos. Also, if you guys want to get a set of the Maxton Design rear side splitters, I'll put the link down below in the description. And there it is, guys. That is how I went about installing the Maxton Design rear side splitters on my B8 S4. If you guys have any further questions about the install, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. Also, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to help support my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.